Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am here to show you all Malvani Chicken Curry recipe. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावध आनी भलायकेन. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता मालवणी चिकन कोडयेची रेसिपी आनी तेका लागून तुमकां मालवणी मसालो जावो पडटलो. सो यू ऑल विल बी नीडिंग द मालवणी मसाला. You can buy it on the shop, or you can check my recipe of Malvani Masala, which I will be sharing the link in this video's description box. So please check that, and you can make different types of curries out of it. So first let us take 1 kg of chicken. Okay, so I'll tell you first in English, then I will tell in Konkani. So we need 1 kg chicken. Okay, with bones, without bones, it is and this is like the big chicken. Okay, you can take the smaller one chicken. This is the big chicken. So 1 kg. Then I will be needing for marination lime juice, 1 lime juice, 1 of this size tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, homemade. This is half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then this is 1 full medium size coconut, grated and roasted. This is around 1 big onion, chopped and then fried nicely to brown color. And this is 3 onions, big onion, 3 onions, which we'll be adding for our gravy. So this is like 3 onions fried and kept. You can fry at the time when you are doing sauteing the chicken. Then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this masala, that is Malvani masala. It will be spicy, so if you want less spicy, you can add only 1. This is a ball of tamarind which I have soaked, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So, and we will be also grinding this to a fine paste. That is 2 green chilies. You can use 1, or you don't use if you don't like spiciness. Then this is 1 pod of garlic, which is like around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flakes of 8 or 10 flakes of garlic, and this is a small bunch of coriander. So these are all things what you need. Please have a look. So आता हांव कोंकणीन सांगता. हें व्हडली कोंबी घेतल्या. ओके, 1 किलो. तितून हाड आसा, मांस आसा, सगळें आसा मिक्स. तुमकां बोनलेस जाय बोनलेस करात. सो हे जावन आसा 1 किलो व्हडली कोंबी. मागीर हे मॅरिनेशनाक जे हांव उजार करतली, कश्मीरी चिलीज 1 कुलेर, हे जावन आसा अर्दे कुलेर आमची हल्दीचो पिठो, आनी 1/4 कुलेर धाकटुशे ही सायजीचे, तुमची सायज तुमी पळोवन घेयात, आमचे धनिया पावडर. 1 लिंबू ज्यूस वयतलो. ह्यो जावन आसा आमचो आख्खो व्हडलो प्याव कांदो, जो हांवें भाजला तेलान. ओके, ब्राउन कलर. ह्यो जावन आसा 3 कांदे जे भाजल्या. ओके, हे जावन आसा योक मिडियम नाल्ल. ओके, ताका बरो रोस्ट केला, भाजून घेतला. हे 1 कुलेर जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. ह्यो योक बोल आमचो आमसाण. मागीर तितून हें पूण वयतलें, थोडीशी कोथमीर, 10 ह्यो धाकटुश्यो आमच्यो गार्लीक, आनी 2 मिरसांग्यो घेतल्या. तर तुमकां तिखट मिरसांग्यो नाका जाल्यार तुमी घालनासतना हें फकत 2च वांटा, ओ 1 घाला, तुमचेर आसा. कित्याक मालवणी मसाला जो आसा तो तिखट आसता. सो हांव घालतली 2 कुलेरां. तुमच्यान 1 कुलेर घालूं येता जर तर तुमी सुबेज तिखट उजार करना जाल्यार. आनी ह्यो मसालो हांव डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालता, तेजी लिंक तुमी मातशी ती पळोवन घेयात. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एका हें मॅरिनेशनाक घालया. tomato juice. आणि आता मीठ घालूया. आणि हे सगळे मिक्स करून घ्या. Now we'll grind this. With little bit of water. So I have taken 1 small tablespoon of oil because already this also has got oil. So I am adding this into this. I am adding few curry leaves and the onion. So that's why I put small tablespoon of oil. So because these onions are already fried, I don't need to fry more now. Now I will add that ground masala to this, green masala. Fry this for a while till the rawness goes. And chicken you can marinate for overnight or 30 minutes is more than enough. Now we'll add our marinated chicken in this. Give a mix. And let this cook for a few minutes. So let this get covered and we'll cook this on medium flame. Okay, so यात आम्ही धांपून दवरया आणि ताका शिजोवनी. ओके, आता आम्ही मसाला वांटून घेऊया. Coconut, roasted coconut. You can use your designated coconut too. Then a tamarind, onion, and our masala. So here, so measurement is according to your. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons, hipped 2 tablespoons, and we grind this to a fine paste. Add water and grind. तर हांवें 2 कुलेरां घातल्या. कुलेराचें मेजरमेंट तुमचेर आसा, तुमच्या घरान कसलें आसा पळय ते प्रमाणे तुम्ही उजार करा. उदक घालून मातशें वांटून घेवया. At this point I will add my ginger garlic paste. Actually, it is like Malvani Rasaa, also you can say. Okay, cover this, again cook this. At least you have to cook this for maybe 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is tender. So this is ground masala. Okay, now we'll add to our chicken. Okay, हे आता वाटून घेतला. ओके, मातशें लायटीचो लायट कलर दिसता, एक्चुअली डार्क रेडिश आहा. ओके, आता आमी हेका वांटून घेवया. हितून घालुया, म्हणजे मासान घालुया, कोंबडीन. बरें बारीक वांटून घेयात. ओके, आता हांव तितूंत घालता. मिक्स करून घेऊया. आता आमी हितून अरावंड 2 कप्स उदक घालुया. तुमकां दाट जाय जाल्यार दाट. सो इफ यू नीड thick gravy, then you don't add water, just cook in this. But I will be adding 2 cups of water in this, the same the mixer thing. Check the salt. Let it get cooked now for 10 minutes to 15 minutes on low flame. Salt is perfect. Please check and add accordingly if you need a little bit more. Cover and cook this on low medium flame till the chicken meat is cooked, but it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So this is exact 15 minutes, and see, our chicken is ready. So can you see the oil? So our chicken is ready, cooked, and it looks, and it is yummy. तर हे तेल पळय वयर सुटोन येयलां, म्हणजे आमची कोडी ही जावन आसा ती तयार. मालवणी चिकन करी आमची तयार. सो प्लीज मालवणी मसालो पयलो करून घेयात आनी मागीर ही कोडी तुमी एन्जॉय करात. ओके, थँक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. गार्निश इट विथ coriander and it's done. तो आता हें बंद करता आनी गार्निश दिस विथ सम coriander leaves. थँक यू माय फ्रेंड. देव बरें करूं तुमकां, आनी मानता तुमकां हें बरें लागतली कोडी. ओके, रुचीक लागतली आनी एन्जॉय करतली मालवणी कोडी. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक. थँक यू सो मच.